Hello everybody, this is KAHEVA. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the Korean version of McDonald's. So, to make a long story short, the Korean version of McDonald's can be Kimbap Cheongguk. So I think you will all know what kimbap is. So kimbap is, as you guys know, if there is hamburger in America, there is kimbap in Korea. So what is Kimbap Cheongguk? So Kimbap Cheongguk is a restaurant, Korean chain restaurant that sells almost every kind of Korean food that you can imagine. So they have so many various types of menus you can choose from. So where is Kimbap Cheongguk? So if you look at the map in Korea, there are over 300 branches that is titled Kimbap Cheongguk. Kimbap Cheongguk is almost anywhere, everywhere, anywhere you go. So Kimbap Cheongguk is even just in front of my house, in front of your school, everywhere like McDonald. Is a chain branch, there are so many stores that have the same name as Kimbap Cheongguk, and they share the same menus, and they have almost the same taste, and they're really clean because they're really well controlled by the headquarters. You can try all of the Korean food you can imagine below $7 to $8. And I would tell you how to make an order at Kimbap Cheongguk like a local. You would just raise your hand and say call them imo. So it's imo means aunt in Korean. So you would think that why would you call the restaurant employee as your relative? Not only to our literal relatives, but we also used if we wanna show our intimacy to them. Imo, and they would come and you will start directly telling the menu to them. So I would say 불고기 덮밥, 라면, and kimbap. You would call out the menus, and for the last one you should say 주세요. Can I have burgers, fries, and ice cream please? So I would say 불고기 덮밥, 김밥, 떡볶이 주세요. It's can I have blah please? That's it. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.